let's talk about Summit 2024 here in San Diego. You're gonna get to connect with people. You're gonna get to learn with other STEM educators and advocates. You're gonna get to learn skills that you can bring back to the classroom. You're gonna have the opportunity to get hands-on with some PLTW curriculum in the Exploratorium. And lastly, we have some incredible keynote speakers.
The stronger our connections to each other, the stronger our ability to serve students and to support each other. Together, we are serving this year over 2.5 million students and supporting over 100,000 educators. Thank you for being part of the Project Lead the Way network.